Christine Garrow, and it's time for another Creation Studio Grab and Go. This is an opportunity for you to come to the Bettendorf Public Library and grab a bag of supplies to make a fun craft at home. For the month of July, we are going to be making sun-sensitive paper art. It's really fun, it's really easy, and I think you're all going to like it. I have my bag right here. I'm going to see what's inside of my sun-sensitive paper art grab and go bag. Inside my bag, there's only a couple of things here. One of them is the written instructions in case you'd like to use those. Also, inside this folded piece of paper is the sun-sensitive paper. One thing you want to make sure you do with your sun-sensitive paper is keep it out of UV rays. That is ultraviolet rays. They come from the sun, but there might be light bulbs, such as plant growing bulbs, that can also affect this paper. So until you're ready to use it, don't put it in any UV rays. For the next step, we are going to have to go outside. Before we use this special paper, it is time to explore the outdoors for bits of nature to use on your sun-sensitive paper. This may include things like leaves, sticks, and seeds. As you look for materials to add to your sun-sensitive paper art, just make sure that you ask permission before you pull or pluck any plants. The next step is to place the objects on top of the paper on a flat surface. Due to the wind, it is best to prepare your arrangement indoors. Place your paper, complete with items from nature, in a sunny location for about 2 minutes. Now be aware, the paper will immediately begin to lighten when exposed to the sunlight. UV or sun-sensitive paper works because it is coated with light-sensitive chemicals. These chemicals react to the light waves and particles when exposed to the sun. Objects placed on the paper block the light and do not undergo the same chemical change. After the 2 minutes have passed, remove items from your paper and place it in water to soak for about 1 minute. By adding the paper to water, the chemical process stops and preserves your images on the paper. Then all you need to do is remove the paper from water and place it on a flat surface to dry. You may want to place the paper under a heavy object, such as a book, to prevent the paper from curling. Then you'll have a beautiful sun-sensitive paper art masterpiece. We hope you enjoyed making your own sun-sensitive paper art. Our next Creation Studio Grab and Go will be in September, so stay tuned for our next great project. Until then, bye!